Hey, it's Erie, your favorite runner and personal trainer, and it is time to train today. We are currently training for our next half marathon. I ran this half marathon last year, and I'm running it again. So I'm trying to do it faster. So I'm working on my pace, my cadence, my tempo, and then I am preparing for my first full at the top of the year. This is really exciting, and I'm going to bring you along on my training with me today. So the first thing is, for any runner, you want to get prepped. Running is all about your mind-body connection. I feel like the more you can prepare your mind, your body will follow suit. My preparation is all about getting my mental in a place that allows me to run. I am in the South. It is hot. It's more taxing on my mind than it is my body. So this part is really important. First, I'm just gonna protect my feet. When I first started running, I had the worst blisters. Running on blistery feet is not gonna be good for your mental health, okay? I like long socks because they keep my ankles really warm. I grew up as a dancer, so keeping my ankles warm is really important. Shoes on. Today, I'm running with no music. I do that sometimes just to connect with myself on my run. It also keeps me a lot more alert and aware. So if you're training for your next race, then consider trying some no music runs. Today, I'm running with my running vest so that I can have all of the things I need. The most important thing is my lip chap. You don't have time for dry lips. And we have candy in case we are starting to feel low. This is going to keep our energy up. It's also really hot, so I have some electrolytes loaded up. And now with that, we're ready to warm up. I don't think people realize too how much of a beating your shoulders take, just like running like this. I try to keep my shoulders down while I'm running. That back crack felt so good. And I try to just work my way down my body. So from my arms, through my waist, into my hips. I'm already sweating and I haven't started running yet. All of these moves, you can take them, do them for about 30 to 60 seconds a piece. You'll be nice and warm for your run. We are ready to go. So I've been running for about a little over a year now. I got into running more after having my baby, and it has made me so much more present as a mom, just taking this time for myself. It's just made me mentally stronger, showing my body what I can really do and how I can really push it and how I shouldn't have limits for myself. So running has become a staple in my training, and I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of it. I pray my bones and my body hold up, which is why I just try to take really good care of myself so that I never have to stop running. 2 miles down, I'm going to pause real quick to hydrate. I also learned in my running, it's okay to walk, it's okay to pause. People will make you feel bad about it. Don't. Now with those 2 miles done, we're going to finish our last 2 miles with some interval runs on our treadmill. So let me show you what we got. Oh my goodness, I had to recalibrate because it is so hot. Running vest is off, shirt is off. We need to cool down a little bit, but we're gonna get into some interval runs using my T15. I am so excited to get back to this treadmill because it makes it really easy for me to stay on pace, and that's what I need for my interval run. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk on 3, and then we're going to sprint on 8. I know, stay with me. And we're gonna do that for 2 miles. The other thing I really love about the T15, all I have to do is press a button, and my speed changes, so I don't have to overthink it. I can really lock in, remember that mind-body connection, to make sure that my pace is right, my form is right, all those other things that should be my concern while running on the treadmill. So let's get to it. I have tried so many times to do my tempo and interval runs outside, but all I end up doing is staring at my watch the entire time, either trying to speed up or slow down because I am not at the right pace. I highly recommend doing these runs on a treadmill because you can set the pace, one tap on the T15 and you're right into your next interval, or you're cooling down in your walk, and it just makes for a much more enjoyable experience, and I can focus on my form and all the other things that are really important to to the run. I believe that the simpler you can make something, the more you enjoy it, and my treadmill makes life so simple. So instead of stressing over each run, I can actually enjoy the journey. That was such a good run. Interval training has been such a game changer in increasing my speed, becoming a longer distance runner. Just to give you some background, my first 10K, which was the first race I signed up for, I skipped right over the 5K. My first 10K took me over an hour and a half. It was like right at an hour and 40 minutes. My best 10K so far has been an hour and 3 minutes, and I attribute that to interval training. My first 5K took me about 40 minutes, and my current best is 29 minutes. I am so proud of those numbers. And I truly believe that having access to a treadmill at home has been a game changer for me. It eliminates every excuse. It doesn't matter. Like, it is so hot, and I just wanted to be out of the direct beat down of the sun. So being able to come back to my treadmill and do my interval training, chef's kiss. I hope that you've enjoyed training with me today and really seeing how your mind can influence your body. If you conquer the mind, you will conquer the body. It all works together. I cannot wait to see you out there running. Bye.